Good morning students. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 9, a new chapter, chapter number 4, values and data types. The objective of this chapter that we are going to discuss today is character set. Number 2, ASCII character set. Number 3, Unicode character set. And these objectives we will discuss through page number 52. The terms we are going to discuss today is character set. Character set means a defined list of characters that can be used by a computer. Means characters that includes 0 to 9 numbers, any combination of numbers, any characters like ABC, combination of characters, or you can say special characters like plus, minus, divide, multiply, etc. And second term is ASCII, ASCII, and a term is a 7-bit set of codes. 7-bit means 7 combination of 7 binary digits that allows 128 different characters. Means any 7 characters you can take, and it is in the form of binary language that make a combination of characters. Next term is Unicode. As ASCII language uses 7-bit codes, Unicode uses 8 to 32 bits to represent a character. Means a single character is made up of 8 bits so that it can represent characters from all the languages throughout the world. Means in the world how many languages are there, like English, Chinese, Japanese. Unicode character set cover all the languages. The fourth term is alphanumeric character set. The character set that include alphabets and numerals, means A, B, C and 1, 2, 3, etc. are called alphanumeric character set. So, character set is of 3 types. In character set, we will cover alphabets, number 2 numerics, and number 3 special characters. Start with alphabets. Alphabets includes letter A to Z, that is in uppercase, and A to Z, that is in lowercase. Means both uppercase and lowercase letters, both are not same because Java is a case sensitive language. This means that if you have written a capital word or same word you have written in a small case, both words have different meaning. Like we have done the Java programs. In Java programs, some characters are in small letters and some words are in capital letters. So both letters or characters have different meanings in Java. Number 2 is numeric. Numeric means digit 0 to 9. Any combination of 0 to 9 numbers, means 80, 100, that may be a positive or negative. They come in the numeric category of character set. Number 3 is a special character. All the special symbols available on our keyboard like plus, minus, dollar, exclamation, greater than sign, less than sign, ampersand sign, brackets, etc. They all come in the category of special characters. Now we will discuss 2 standard character set used in Java is ASCII character set and Unicode character set. Firstly, we will start with ASCII character set. The full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Means ASCII, in ASCII characters we will do the capital A to Z covered and small a to Z covered. In an ASCII file, each alphabetic, numeric or special character is represented with the 7-bit binary number. Like if we will take the character A capital, this character is having a decimal value 65 in ASCII code and its binary value is 1000001. You can say how many digits are there? 7 digits. We have covered this conversion decimal to binary in binary to decimal in 7th standard also. Means how we can convert 65 into binary value and how binary digits are converted into decimal value. So in an ASCII file, the capital letters A to Z having characters is from 65 to 90. 65 is having capital A and Z is having the value 9090. Next we will do is Unicode character set. Unicode is an international character set designed to represent all the characters found in the languages around the world, such as English, Hindi, Japanese, Chinese, etc. Means whatever the languages are used around the world, Unicode character set covered all the characters, means all the programs that are made in Java, they covered all the languages that are used in the world. The following table shows some examples of letters represented using the Unicode character set. You can refer to a specific Unicode character set using the escape sequence. This slash is called backward slash and U stands for Unicode followed by its 4 digits, that is hexadecimal code. See, if we will take the Hindi letter, that is K, the Unicode value is /U0915 Devanagari letter. If we will take the Punjabi letter L, Lalla, the Unicode value is /U0A32 and it is Gurmukhi letter. Then is Tamil letter and Greek small letter theta. So students, today we have discussed character set, ASCII character set, Unicode character set, and the terms we have discussed is character set, ASCII, Unicode and alphanumeric character set. So students, revise all the objectives that we have discussed today, go through the explanation, examples, write down the meanings carefully and revise the definition. In the next video we will come with next pages. Thank you very much.